Hello everyone, my name is Mwumvaneza. I'm the Market Intelligence Associate at the Africa Solar Industry Association, AFSIA. The mission of AFSIA is to follow the solar developments across Africa. And therefore my role in that is assisting the Market Intelligence Manager in collecting, analyzing and organizing the data on solar projects and market trends that helps you companies in getting a better grasp of the solar market in Africa. If you have any information, projects or trends you'd like to share, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to exchange with you and connect with you.